This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nina Beniak. Beautifully updated 3-bed 2-bath home is located on a cul-de-sac. Great open flowing floor plan with kitchen centrally located. New windows recently installed with noise reduction and withstands hurricanes. New roof installed in September 2021. AC replaced 2 years ago. Kitchen has designer backsplash with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. No carpet and all fixtures in the home have been recently upgraded. Home has wood blinds in every room. Both my bathrooms have recently been redone and master bath is done with Italian marble. Both bathrooms have special LED light fixtures that never need to be replaced. Relax in your extra large covered screened patio that is completely tiled. Garage door opener can be opened remotely from your cell phone. Palm Coast is a highly desirable location, just 30 minutes south of St. Augustine, 30 minutes north of Daytona Beach and 20 minutes to beautiful Flagler Beach. If you're looking for a forever home, this is it. Homes like this do not last long. For more information,